Hello everyone, so today I would like to show you how to add some music to Capcut application. So first thing, you just need to open the application and then just the same way click the new project and choose which video you want to add the music to and then click add button. Okay, and then if you take a look on the bottom button options, we have a lot of button there and then just click the audios and then click the sounds options. You can choose any kinds of music. You can choose beat, love, dance, vlog. But if you want to have from your device, just click this options from device. In CapCut also provide you to have music that now is viral. You can choose the fire sign and then you can choose any songs. Okay, let's try one song. And then after there is a plus button, then click on, and then we can adjust the length of the music too according to what you want. You can make it shorter and drag it into the first video and make it just sweet with the video, the length of the video, and then take some try. Okay, it was already like just sweet with what you really want. Now you can extract the video. And that's all. Thank you for watching.